How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode, I'm working on a 2011 Ford Explorer. And if you want to find the fuse box, driver's side on the bottom, next to the brake pedal on top, you're gonna see him right there. It has the cover, and then the cover is gonna be facing like that. Press this tap on the bottom, pull it out. If you have any problems with the lighting on the dash, I'm working right now on this one because the lighting on the steering wheel it doesn't work, so I'm gonna check the fuses. You have all the fuses right there. I'm gonna check one by one. Make sure that you disconnect the battery before you start messing with the fuses. If you go to the owner's manual, or you can Google it if you don't have it, in this case, this lighting is not working on the steering wheel, on the door too, it's not working. So in here, number 12 is gonna be the interior courtesy lamps, the controls, and this one is number 12. If you go from the back and you count it into number 12, it's gonna be this one right here, which is gonna be this one. This is the one that is not working. If you can see there, I don't know if you can see right there in the bottom, fuse is bad, so I just had to replace this one. And the lighting, courtesy light and everything, the lighting is gonna be working now. So that's how you find the fuse box, and that's how to fix these problems. If you can see it, we found it. So guys, it's really easy to find the fuse box. It's just underneath. Easy to fix the fuses, but make sure that you disconnect the battery. I already disconnected. I'm just gonna replace this fuse, and then all the lighting inside, courtesy light, and the lighting on the steering wheel is gonna be working. So quick little tip for you guys. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Peace.